Alright, today's project is very simple to do. I'm doing it on a 2010 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited. And we are cleaning the air filter so the bike can breathe better. Doing it here in my garage. Very simple tools, very simple process. Just time consuming a little bit because you have to wait until the air filter is dry after cleaning it and all that. But for the most part, you're saving a lot of money then taking it to a shop and all that. So I'm just sharing the knowledge. I will let you know what tools we're using. Again, it's 2010 Ultra Limited Electra Glide. Yeah, keep watching and we'll go through the tools and what product I'm gonna use. All right, we will need for this project 5/16 Allen key and a ratchet and a T27 star key. It's a star shaped key. So this is the tool that we need. That's it, just two keys pretty much. And the product I'm using is the K&N Recharger air cleaner kit. It's $15 online or 16 and change at the Harley shop or motorcycle shop or whatever you want to buy it from. It comes with two containers. As we see, one gonna be the cleaner, spray cleaner, and one will be the spray oil after you clean the air filter. So cleaner and oil, and that's pretty much it. So let's, all right, we'll go on the right side of the bike. I always like to put a towel or something just in case anything drips, anything falls. I have everything loosened up, so just for the speed of the video. So you take your 5/16 Allen key and loosen up the air cover, and this once comes out, the air cover will come off. You know, just put it here, lay it down on the towel that I put down here, and I will put the bolt in here, and then we'll use our T27 to take off 1, 2, 3 for the air filter. As I said, everything is loose, so it will come out easy. Here's 1, 2, and then here's the third last one. Once you take this off, it should be ready to go, and then you just pull it out, and that's your air filter. So as we see, pretty much that's what I did so far. And don't forget here in the light a little bit, the air filter is really dirty. Not horrible, but about time to clean it. It's a reusable one, that's why we're doing this. So in the light here you can see still a little bit pink, but all right, I'll get the air filter to the sink and we're just gonna spray it evenly. All the way around. From the inside out. And that's it. And just a little sit down for a little bit. I got it soaked here and start dripping in the sink, so you can see the dirty water coming down. So I will sit here in the sink for a little bit to soak and let the cleaner do its job, and then we'll continue on. Okay, so this has been sitting for 10 minutes after spraying it with the air filter cleaner, K&N. It's time to rinse, and we'll look at it if it needs one more. So obviously it's dirty, you can see that. So let's rinse and see what's going on. The filter was dirty, as you can see. I'm just showing you real quick, and I'll do it with 2 hands, so just watch with me here. Look at that. So we'll pause, wash it real nice, and come back. Okay, now comes the time-consuming part. After cleaning it, and obviously mine was really dirty, really dirty. I did only one time because I can tell already it's completely clean now, all the way around. So now I prefer to do it naturally, so I'm gonna just leave it here in the sun and make it just dry. I'll put it up here outside for a little bit until it's dry, and probably it will take, I'll probably have to leave it like overnight or something, because it's better. The drier the air filter will be, the better the oil will stick to it when we oil it. So I'll just keep it here, and alright, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna give a quick review about that K&N air cleaner kit. It worked very good for me. You saw in 10 minutes the air filter was soaked and how much dirt came out of that air filter, and it's really look clean now. So I recommend the air cleaner, and it's a whole bottle, which I used pretty much maybe up to here, if that, and the oil can, and it's $15. The air filter alone is probably $37 if it's a stock one. So that's saving money, which is the whole idea of that video. It's trying to do things in our garages versus taking it to shop and paying a lot of money. I recommend that kit. $15 lasts you 3, 4, 5 times of air filter cleaning. It's really worth it. Well, I have to say I got lucky today. There was some good wind, and it was sunny, so it's completely dry now, and you can see it's really clean. So it's time now to oil. Grab the oil, and the idea here is to spray evenly as much as we can. All the way around. Not too much, just a layer. Okay, as expected, using one hand. I'll keep going here to cover all the white stuff, and just, it's supposed to be red like that. That's the red oil on it. So I will go cover anything white like this side here I have to do, just compared to this. I will go all the way around, and okay, so now we all oiled up all the way around. Not too much, not heavy, just a nice layer. You don't want to put too much oil, so not to clog the filter off, so the oil will not actually block the filter. So just a nice layer, and a little sit for 10-15 minutes, and then we were put it on. All right, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and this should be ready to roll. Get it now on the bike. Oil settled in, soaked and nice. And now it's time to put it on the bike. And it'll pretty much reverse everything we did. Line up. There's one. Okay. Now it's lined up. We're putting our screws in. Said like it's a T27 star key. Turn it up hand tight now. Just get them started only, that's it. There's one hand here, so bear with me. And that's pretty much what we're doing, just reversing everything we just did. Okay, get our start key. Alright, snug. With the ratchet, just a snug. All three. Now we put back the cover. Line up here in the middle. Now we get the center bolt started. Same thing, hand tight. And we got our Allen key, was 5/16. And same thing, we tighten it up, make it snug and nice. That's about that. And we're done.